As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. Go ahead and, it's already flipped inside out, and now I'm just putting the sleeves inside each other and folding it in half vertically. And there's an entire video just on this process that you can look through if you want details as to why, and a step-by-step as far as how it's done pretty easily. Flat this time. Not sure what's going on right there. So I'm going to draw a circle and then modify it by hand. Easiest way to do a circle is a piece of string or sinew or whatever. Find where you want your center point. My center point is going to be off the actual object because I want it pretty wide. There we go. Now this would give me like an eye shape instead of an actual oval. So I'm going to come in just kind of tone these parts down a little so it isn't as sharp. Alright. We're just going to fold this as an accordion and then go from there. Actually, I'm going to make that a little bit thicker for the folds. There we go. I thought it might actually hold with the rubber band, but it's not going to by doing it as a scrunch because there's too much manipulation to the rest of the fabric. So, go ahead and throw on the sinew. And then do this as a scrunch. Alright. Now for the rest of this, I'm just going to fix the accordions. Alright, let's go ahead and measure this off here. I'll go about 3 inches between them. Alright, and we'll draw in our little angles. Alright. Off to dye. Alrighty, for this one I am using turquoise. cerulean blue, lemon yellow, orange crush, deep orange, Chinese red, and fire red. And these are all from Dharma. So let's go ahead and get started with the dye. Alright, let that sit until it melts through, and we'll come back and see what else to do. Alright, the ice is melted completely through. Just going to add some soda ash to it, and then layer it with ice again. And the soda ash is just to make sure that with the extra water going through it, that it doesn't turn into a pastel color, that stays nicely saturated. Alright, let that melt through, and then we'll go on to the washout. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's do the washout. Alrighty. So I'll go throw that in the washing machine, and then we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the shirt. So I'm happy with this. I debated whether or not to do blacks or grays on the outside instead of this, but I think the fire looking thing worked out really well with the blue in the center as the portal. There's still, this one's a little sharp here on the edge versus that being more curved. That is pretty much the only thing, and that's really nitpicking at that point. So I think it turned out really well. And like pretty much anything that's symmetrical, I mean, you can sit here and point out faces, and this could be a mouth, this could be a nose. Can't really find the eyes in that one. I probably will later. Or you can have eyes here, nose here, whatever, mouth here. That actually works out. But faces always appear when you're doing the symmetrical folds. So, what do you think? Let me know below. And until next time, thanks for watching.